Alright, this is a video of a Ganesh Cyclone 32N. It's a Mitsubishi based control. Machine has a bar feed, coolant system, high pressure coolant system. It's an MP Systems unit. We're gonna run the machine. That's the main spindle at 1,000. That's 2,500. I'm gonna switch over to your live tools. That's 2,500. You also have your tooling back here. That's 2,500 on those as well. And your parts catcher. I'm going to jog the axes. There's your C axis. It's a full C. That's your Z axis. That's Y. All nice and quiet. And that's your X axis. Machine is presently wired 220 volts. It can be seen under power. Thanks for watching.